guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys of a parcel. Actually guys, wala akong alam, wala akong natandaan na in-order sa Shopee. Dahil Shopee Express yung yung courier nila. But nakasulat yung pangalan ko and ang aking address. Complete address pa naman. Although wala akong na-receive na call ng ng rider. Sadya lang na yung tita ko yung nagbigay sa akin nito. Nagsabi na may rider. So, yun. So, let's see what's inside, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, so as we may inspect the package, lahat ng side may nakasulat na fragile. Naka-bubble wrap din siya. So, let's see what's inside, guys. Oh, yeah! I remember now. Ngayon na actually ngayon na naalala ko na. Although bakit Shopee? Kasi parang online ko in-order 'yon sa sa Facebook page yata nila. If I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is another, alam ko na. Wait lang. This is another pair of shoes. So yeah, let's take the first one. Okay, Nike. And this is the second one. Actually, I totally forgot that I ordered this. Although, nangawa lang ako, nagtaka lang ako kasi nga, bakit Shopee Express. And this is the second box. Alright. So, moment of truth. Sa baba yung sa asawa ko and yung sa taas yung sa akin. Okay, so this is pagbukas, we have some white shoes. Two white. And Sana! This is the SB Dunk Low, guys. SB Dunk Low in yellow. Yellow! So, this is the pair of shoes. Yung lace niya ay yellow din. But we have an extra laces, which is white. Kung gustong palitan. So this is it, guys. This is the yellow SB Dunk Low. In yellow. Alright, let's inspect the other one. We have some shoe whites. And this is the size 43. Okay, this is for my husband. So we have another couple shoes. Okay, so this is it, guys. We have yellow couple shoes. Alright, so totally forgot about the shoes. Just keep updated, guys. I'll be releasing another try-on of my shoes. Trying this on. So again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love!
Huwag na tayo'y mapangiti. Mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.